Hey, in this video, we wanted to highlight some strong parallels between drawing in Illustrator and drawing in Gravity Sketch. So we wanted to take a few minutes to draw a short over a template of a male body right now. And typically this is what we are doing to draw a garment. We're drawing the left side, we're drawing the right side, and all this is done vectoring using the pen tool. So we're going to start filling in with some style lines with the side seam, gusset, and some other paneling right here in the front of the leg. There's a pocket opening. Making sure that all the anchor points are all kind of situated where we want it. Let's highlight just the internal lines, then reflect that. Make sure that's aligned. Connect the two anchor points right here at the center front. There you go. And here's the front rise. I've also forwarded this or sped this up by 2 times speed. Wanted to bring this into Gravity Sketch now and kind of also draw the same exact thing. So as you see here, we're doing the same kind of thing as laying down almost vector points in the lines to create the full gesture here of the waistband. And as you see here too, we're also drawing around a template, and in this case, this is a 3D template. Here we can play around with the actual ergonomics of the hem shape. There you go. Let's finish off and connect the hemline. Kind of clean up some of those anchor points. That's a cool shape. Bring that up a little bit on the outside. Sweet. Let's do that same side seam as we have in the 2D sketch. And again, we're drawing the same thing, just in 3D. There we go. There's the gusset. Here's the back of the gusset. Alright, there's the same style line that's wrapping around the front of the leg. Finishing up here at the gusset here. Make sure those lines are not touching the mannequin, kind of figuring out this is the kind of a slim fit that we want. Well, we can play around with fits as much as we want before we go into surfacing. But we also want to make sure that we just talk about the line drawing today in this video. There's that pocket opening. Okay, I'm going to turn the mirror off so we can draw the front rise, and then let's draw the back rise. Let's kind of make sure that line's all associated. Then after we draw the back rise, in just a second, we'll be done with the sketch in totality, and then we can move on to the next iteration. There you go. Line up some of the points again, and voila. Now you got a full 360 view of the same sketch. So there's some strong parallels in drawing this short between Gravity Sketch and our anchor points and Illustrator's anchor points. It's all just done in 3D. I'm just going to add a little bit of a draw chord here while we're kind of highlighting the differences between 3D and 2D with the parallels between the two applications. Thanks for watching.